Two people now succumbed to crash on Braco Main Road in Trelawny. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two females succumbed to injuries they received in a collision along the Braco Main Road in Trelawny yesterday. They have been identified as 39-year-old Avedon Allen of Steertown in St. Anne and 53-year-old Sharon Hatchick of Linstead in St. Catherine. Miss Hackett, a vendor, became the latest casualty from Sunday's afternoon crash. She was affectionately called Muffet. Ms. Hatchick, who was a vendor, succumbed to her injuries around 7:50 p.m. while undergoing treatment the same night. According to police reports, Allen was driving a Toyota Altis motor car heading towards Falmouth on Sunday when it lost control and crashed into a Mitsubishi Center truck which was heading in the opposite direction. The injured persons were trapped in both vehicles for some time before help could reach them. They were taken to the Falmouth hospital where they succumbed to their injuries. The Falmouth police have since commenced an investigation into the crash. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.